Hey
Sammy, Warman, I got a little rap for you or something, little gentry. I'm gonna send you to the penitentiary. Oh, Sammy's the best. She has a pretty, yeah.
Are you trying to sing loud to hide your fart?
What? What? Bye, Sammy.
Ew, I think you just dootied.
Are you ready? Hey, I am your instructor for today. And 1, 2, 3. My knees buckled. 1. This is not on, right?
It's on.
No, it's not. Why is there a brother and you can't stop it? Yada 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 yada. Sammy Wortman.
Sammy, oh boy.
Sammy Wortman has a courtman in her Dortmund. She has a wart on her arm. Yeah. Ball. She thinks that she knows it all. She is really weird. And I don't fart. Yada yada yada. I just like ironing my clothing. I just like working out with no weights. I just like to pick my nose. But then, what would I do without you? What would I do without you?
Without you.
What would I do without you? Without you.
Alright, your prima donna's over.
Okay.
They're gonna kill me because I took up so much memory. Was this?
Yeah, I was Sammy Wortman lately.
No, that little girl.
Are you pointing the camera at me?
I don't know. I'm just kind of holding it, toying around with it. It's not on.
I'm gonna go sleep.
Right. I'm not taping now.
Oh. Wait.
No,
Wait.
no.
Wait.
No, don't flip that around. There's nothing there.
Let me just.
It's just our little secret. Let
me take this really quick.
Oh no, I'm not taping. You're ugly. Ugly, right? It turns around when you face it, Melanie. You wanna be in my gang, it's gonna break that.
I'm gonna do a little song and dance for you. Actually, just a dance. I'm just really tall, I'm not standing on a chair, but I'm just really tall, I'm really tall, don't look at
I just took a picture.
because I'm not standing on it. What'd you do?
Oh, it's fine now.
What'd you do? You go dance.